How to sign in Pokemon Go with Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to log in with a Google account on Pokemon Go. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, launch the Pokemon Go app on your mobile device. And once you are inside the game, simply select your birth date from the provided options. And once you're done with that, simply tap new player to set up your account. And now you'll provide it with options on the new page. You can choose Google, Facebook or Trainer as a login option. Simply select Google and tap on continue. Now pick the Gmail account that you want to use for Pokemon Go. And once you have selected that, you are all set. You can simply enter the game and begin your journey. But ensure that you have stable internet connection, a valid Google account, and if you face any issues, you need to check your login credential and connection. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.